We make the best stanchions on the market. Is it because of our cast iron base? Quick no tools required assembly? Ever straight technology? Built-in floor protectors? Yes, yes, 1,000 times yes, yes.
So what's the deal with the cast iron base?
Cast iron base has stuck the landing.
I'm gonna have to put her down. You shouldn't watch this.
The quick, no tools assembly is true. I mean, we don't even include the instructions because it's so easy. You screw this into that and moving on. Oh, and the ever straight technology? Yes. When we say ever straight, we mean forever straight. I don't know if the other guys have had too much to drink or didn't get the memo, but a wobbly drunken stanchion leads to bad decisions. I mean, if your line can't follow the rules, then why should the people standing in it? The logic, it's flawless. The point, our stanchions stand up straight all the time. I mean, look, it's doing it. So class, I'll ask it again. What is a Visiontron stanchion? It's the best. Visiontron, the best, just got an upgrade. That's not our tagline. That's not our tagline. I get this. Come on, guys.